Let's learn how to group Excel data, particularly if you want group your data into quarters. In my dataset here, I have outlined January to December 2019 data. Then I have project grouped by project A, project B, and project C. I would like to group my data into quarters of 3 months each, with the quarter starting in January. I'll also group this so that I add a new row here, so that I have total by project A. So this is project A total, which will be a summation of the project A1 to A4. Then copy this all the way to December. I'm going to autofill this. Do the same for project C, project B. This will be project B total. I'll copy the same function here, copy this and paste it here, confirm that it's adding. Do the same for project C, so I'll call this project C total. Project C total will be sum of this project from C1 to C5. Then I'll copy this and paste it here so that I have that total. I'll also have project total here that will sum project A, B, and C plus project B plus project C. Then I'll copy this all the way to December. I'll also create quarterly totals. Then I'll call this Q1 total. Is it project Q1? That is, I add quarter 1 total, which is equal to sum of Q1 total. Then paste it down. Create a total for quarter 2. I'll call this Q2 total. Then copy this. This will be sum of April, May, and June downwards. Sum of quarter 3, which will be quarter 3 total, is equals to sum quarter 3 like that. Then I add that down, expand that. Then we'll have sum of quarter 4, Q4 total, is equals to sum of the 3 months leading to the last quarter of the year. Then finally, I'll have the total or grand total, which will be is equal to quarter 1 total plus quarter 2 total plus quarter 3 and plus quarter 4. Then I'll have this one here. Now once I have the totals, I need to group this so that I can see level 1 for everything from January to December, then a breakdown for quarters only, and then a breakdown only for the grand totals. So to do that, go to data on the tab, go to group, then auto outline. Once you do that, Excel will outline your data such that if you want to see a high level, you can use 1 for the columns and then 1 for the rows, so that you see the project total. You can also expand by project A, B, and C totals, by quarters, and also see a high level like that, or a high level based on that. Thanks for watching.